What if visiting ancient Egypt didn't require a passport, just a headset? Excurio is turning that idea into a global business. The immersive tech company behind Horizon of Khufu and Tonight with the Impressionists is expanding across North America, bringing large-scale, free-roaming VR experiences to cities like Chicago, Austin, Denver, and Washington, D.C. Inside these 5,000-square-foot digital worlds, more than 130 people can explore at once, walking through the Great Pyramid, witnessing the birth of Impressionism, or stepping inside Notre-Dame's restoration. Excurio has already welcomed 4 million visitors worldwide and earned recognition from Fast Company and Inc. Now, with plans to launch in New York, Minneapolis, and Charlotte, the company is betting that immersive culture will become as routine as going to the movies.